Welcome back. Today we are at Hiranandani Fortune City Panvel. So stick to the video till the very end because I am here going to show you the development happening in Panvel and also the newest launch Hiranandani has come up to offer us 1, 2 and 3 BHK lavish apartments. As we are today at Hiranandani Fortune City Panvel, I am really glad to tell you that we are over here with the new launch. So Hiranandani has launched a new towers altogetherly in the phase 2. In the phase B, after the successful launch of 3 towers which are successfully sold out, we have launched 2 more new towers in the phase B. Phase A is already delivered. There are total 19 towers which are successfully delivered and 1200 plus families are already residing over here with all the amenities there in place, all active. Apart from the amenities, there are other things also which are functional like Yota Data Center, which is Asia's largest data center. There are 1200 plus employees every day working, coming here and traveling. Apart from that, there's a school which is completely active till 12th standard. There are other things like restaurants, cafe, commercials, daily retail necessities, everything, banks, ATMs, everything is there inside the township itself. So yes, overall it's a completely successful product, and today as we have launched 2 new towers, we have got the options of 1, 2 and 3 BHK configurations wherein you can book your dream home and you can again have an opportunity to buy a house in Hiranandani Panvel. And I'm sure all of you are on internet, so you know that the news of MTHL is booming entirely over the internet and social media. So yes, this is the biggest plus point. We are getting a lot of traction from the main Mumbai. A lot of customers are visiting, inquiring and buying their dream house over here. So you do not miss an opportunity on that. Because of MTHL, then Mumbai connectivity is very great. Talking about the location, this location is really booming if you are planning for an investment or a second home or for your residence purpose. As you all know, this comes in Panvel, and over here MTHL connectivity gives you a connectivity towards the Mumbai. So the distance from here to MTHL is 20 minutes drive, and again 25 minutes once you cross. It's a 25 minutes distance from the main bridge towards the South Mumbai. So overall the connectivity is 45 minutes. It has cut down from 1.5 hours driving distance to 45 minutes, which is an amazing achievement for the entire Indian development as well. Secondly, it's very close by to your upcoming international Navi Mumbai airport, which soon will be started in the coming period, and the driving distance for the Navi Mumbai International Airport is from here 20 minutes drive. Again, this project is off Old Mumbai Pune Highway. It's very well connected. And also if you see, there's a lot of other developers coming in the picture. So अभी हम phase 2 में हैं. phase 1 और phase 2 मिलाकर के, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, 1200 फैमिलीज़ यहाँ पे रह रही है. एंड phase 3 में आपको दिखाऊंगी कहाँ पे काम चल रहा है, जिसका अभी हमने लॉन्च किया है. 3 टावर जैसे मैंने बताया सक्सेसफुली सोल्ड आउट हो गए और 2 टावर्स अभी हमने लॉन्च किए. सो अगर आप सच में नेचर के बीचों बीच इतने बड़े पोडियम लेवल के लाइफस्टाइल और एमिनिटीज़ में रहना चाहते हो और एक हेल्दी एंड फिट लाइफ जीना चाहते हो, सो दिस इज़ द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू. यू कैन रियली एन्जॉय दिस एंटायर टाउनशिप, offering you literally everything or more than you can even expect. And हिरानंदानी है तो कंस्ट्रक्शन और ये सारी चीज़ों के लिए तो आपको सोचना ही नहीं है. इट्स अ वेल ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड इन द मार्केट, एंड डेवलपमेंट आप सभी को दिख रहा है कि पनवेल का किस लेवल पे चल रहा है. अब जो लॉन्च हुआ है उसके बारे में डिटेल में बात करते हैं. G+38 स्टोरेज के टावर्स है ये. G+38 में आपको 2 लेवल की कार पार्किंग आती है, जो कि आपकी रोबोटिक पोडियम कार पार्किंग, कवर्ड कार पार्किंग है. एंड ऑन द पोडियम लेवल विच इज़ ऑन द सेकेंड लेवल आपको सारी एमिनिटीज़ आती है, जिसमें आपका बैंक्वेट हॉल, ओपन एंड इंडोर जिम, देन वी हैव किड्स प्ले एरिया एंड मेनी मोर एमिनिटीज़ ऑन द पोडियम. Apart from the podium amenities, we have the exclusive clubhouse of 90,000 square feet, which is the highlight of this project. It's a G+2 story clubhouse offering you anything and everything inside it. So as we are very well now aware of the location and the other part which are already functional in this entire township, let's talk much more about this project in detail. So right now we are in the actual building wherein you can see this is the lobby space having 4 units per floor, and there are total 5 lifts on this floor. So we are in a 3 BHK tower, completely exclusively 3 BHK tower, and I am here to show you actual 3 BHK apartment, what is the view and what are the entire configuration and sizes. So let's just go inside and check it out. So this is a magnanimous sized living area that I am here to showcase you, which is a 3 BHK apartment of 1500 carpet area. So it comes with a beautiful marble flooring and the configuration size is 23.9 by 16.10 in dimension, and here comes your wide and quite big sized balcony offering you a breathtaking view for a lifelong. So this is the beautiful balcony that you get here of 14.3 by 3.9, and which offers you such a beautiful view for your lifetime, and this looks more beautiful and amazing in the monsoons. So as you all know, we are coming up with the new launch, as I have already mentioned. So the new apartments are having balconies in the apartment, in living area as well as in bedroom size. So I am sure you are excited for it, as previously we did not had it, but now for you guys on the special request we have got it all. So let's just go inside and see the entire tour of this house. So as we come out of this living area, we'll be entering towards the kitchen space. Kitchen size is phenomenal again, which offers you the configuration of 8.6 by 12.4. So this is how it is, 12.4 and 8.6. Also it comes with the basin and the platform. So your actual apartment will be having the lower modulars, and on the countertop, of course, on the upper modular will not be provided. You will be having lower modulars and the platform. So moving on this side, it offers you the utility area for keeping your washing machine and other stuff. The configuration of this utility area is 6.9 by 5.1, and on to the right of this utility area comes the servant toilet, the house help or the driver's wash area. So that is your 6.9 by 3.9 house help toilet or the common toilet area. As we come out of this kitchen space, we will be moving towards the first bedroom of the house, that is your common bed area. The dimension of this common bed area is very huge in size, that is 11 by 14.3. So yes, it is very spacious. You can keep a recliner and your king size bed, your wardrobe area, floor to ceiling height, and the ceiling height of this apartment is phenomenal again. So from here you can enjoy this beautiful view from the entire apartment, may it be your bedroom or the living area, which comes with a full length window, as it is a glass facade offering you a lot of natural sunlight in the house. Now we'll be moving towards the other side of the house, and this is your passage. It's quite very wide in size. So this is your first common bath and toilet area, for which the dimension is 8.9 by 6.6. It's very big in size, and it comes with a floating shelf for your vanity, your commode area and the shower area. So there will be a partition, glass partition provided to you, and all the faucets will be of best brands, that you can be rest assured. So this is the second bedroom of the house. The size of the bedroom is similar because it is already very spacious. So the size is again 11 by 14.3, offering you again a full length window. I just love the bedroom size, and it comes with a very good size of an attached bathroom, for which the size is 5.6 by 8.9. It has an amazing spacious bath space. It will come with all the branded faucets, and your the bath area toilet area will be concealed for flush, and there will be a glass partition alongside the shower area. So now we'll be going towards the last and the final bedroom of the house. I just love the entire look and feel of the house. It's like white painted. The flooring is also almost like a beigeish color. So yes, it's giving quite a bright and beautiful look of the house. So as we move inside, this is the full and the final bedroom of the house. So this is the best bedroom of this entire house because the size is 14 by 18.6. That is like this, excluding your privacy passage or the foyer area. And before that, I would like to show you the biggest bathroom area, that is 11 by 5.6. The bath and toilet size is also very spacious. So this is the bath suite. And it is amazing in size. So I've never seen this size bedroom ever in my life, and I'm really happy and excited to see it live, and I'm sure you will love it too once you personally visit this site. For the site visit, of course, you have to call on the given number to book your appointment, but before that, I would like to explain how well you can design this entire bedroom space. So as you can see, this entire king sized bedroom, you can keep a king size bed over here, you can make your walking wardrobe kind of a vanity on this side, you can keep a mini theatre on the opposite side of the wall and place a recliner or a sit out area. It is really spacious. So right now guys, the launch period is going on, as I have mentioned you. So there's a lot of rush at the site and we have a limited sales manager. So if you do not want to wait when you visit the site, you have to call on the given number and prefix your appointment so that you do not have to wait at all, and you are being treated exactly on time and you have been given the delightful presentation for which you can make up your mind and plan to book a house. But before that, of course, you'll have to visit, so call on the given number. Also on the description link, you can just go and download the brochures and the pricing part. You will get all the details over there. I really hope you also loved this entire apartment as much as I did, and if you did, so you know what you have to do. Now let's just go and check it out, the 2 BHK apartment for my customers who are looking for a 2 BHK unit. Let's begin. So we have recently launched new towers for 2 BHK and 3 BHK, and I'm here to give you a glimpse and the understanding for the kind of unit that we'll be offering you. The carpet that we have recently launched is around 800 square feet carpet area, and I'm here to showcase your 2 BHK residence. Just for your understanding, this is not the exact one, okay? So this is how beautiful your living area will be, like more or less, okay? So you can just take a rough understanding from this, and this is how the flooring will be like exactly. This will be your ceiling height, floor to ceiling height, and this is how your balcony will be. So yes, in 2 BHK also you get to enjoy a 3 BHK kind of a balcony, and look at the view. The view is so spectacular. I'm really amazed from this side. If you see, it's lovely. So very well you can design this rectangular living. You can just make a L-shaped sofa set. On this side will be your TV unit, coffee table and dining area on this side. You can just design it the way you want. And we'll be moving towards the kitchen space. So the kitchen is very spacious in size. The things that you will be getting in the kitchen will be a lower modular, upper will not be provided, and the platform. Then we will also be having the water geyser, water heater provided to you. Then over here you have a utility area for your washing machine space. You can really enjoy the view from here as well if you see. So this is how it will be, and it comes with an additional duct area, so you have a dry space over there also inside the bathroom. So yes, kitchen is quite very well planned, I'll say. And moving forward, we'll be moving towards the passage area and entering inside the common bedroom. So the common bedroom is exactly squarish in shape, so you can well design it. The size is really lovely. The space is amazing, phenomenal. You can keep your bed, wardrobes, and you can really enjoy from the bedroom as well the entire view, as it's a glass facade offering a lot of natural sunlight inside the house. And as we come out of the common bedroom area, we come back to the passage, and this is your common shower area, common toilet and bath, which is very spacious. We will be offering you the best brand faucets and the glass partition between your bath and toilet area. As soon as we come out of the common bath and toilet area, this is your master suite, that is your 2 BHK master bedroom. So it is phenomenal in size, you can really look for yourself. Very big, very spacious. So over here is your attached toilet bath area, and once you see that, I would also like to show you on the left hand side, there is a dry balcony area attached to every shower area of the house. So we can see that as well onto the left. Yes, exactly, this is what I am talking about. So this is the space that you get over and above for keeping the things that you do not require for your daily life, daily purpose. Once in a year वाली चीज़ आप वहाँ रख सकते हो. It's very well designed. हर बाथरूम में आपको जगह मिलती है, तो आपको काफ़ी स्पेस मिलता है उसे रखने के लिए, so that आपका घर बहुत ही tidy और spacious रहे. So I really like this entire 2 BHK. So for touring this beautiful apartment of 2 BHK Hiranandani Fortune City, you have to call on the given number. You can prefix your appointment for avoiding the hustle at the site, and you can talk to the representative in terms of the pricing part and the offerings and the launch benefit. Also for the details, you can just go on the description and click, and you will get all the downloads of the pricing and the brochure. Also over there you can chat to your representative. Thank you so much. चलिए तो देखते हैं फेज़ 3 बन कहाँ रहा है. अभी हम खड़े हैं फेज़ 2 पे. सामने की तरफ जो आप ये वाले टावर्स देख रहे हो, ये फेज़ 1 है जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लोग रह रहे हैं. एंड यहाँ पे आप जो ये कंस्ट्रक्शन देख सकते हो, क्रेन्स वगैरह जो दिख रहा है आपको, यहाँ पर फेज़ 3 बन रहा है, जो कि 11.5 एकर्स का टोटल इंडिविजुअल लैंड पार्सल है. और वो साइड पे है यूटा डेटा सेंटर, जो एशिया का लार्जेस्ट डेटा सेंटर है, जहाँ पे 1200 प्लस एम्प्लॉयज़ डेली आते हैं. सो ये था ओवरऑल टूर फॉर्चून सिटी का. आई एम श्योर आपको ये पूरा टाउनशिप बहुत पसंद आया होगा. So thank you so much. Keep watching and keep subscribing, because if you subscribe, you can get to watch the latest real estate videos of Mumbai घर बैठे. Thank you.